mag-asawa ay nagta-travel papunta sa isang city at habang nagta-travel kami may dadaanan kaming mais farm. Pero yung ka-pronounce ko, sabi ko sweet corn. Tapos kinorek ako ni Habi, mais daw. Ayan. Yan ang mais. Sweet corn. It has sweet corn now.
That's maize.
Huh?
That's maize.
Mais, yeah. Corn.
Yes.
Sweet corn.
Sweet corn and maize are different.
How come?
Maize is not. It's not sweet. It's they use it for chicken food and stuff. Cattle feed, pig feed. Sweet corn maize. It's for human consumption. A lot more maize gets grown than sweet corn.
Ayun, yun naman pala eh. Tigas-tigas kasi ng ulo ko eh. Yeah. Mais daw. Yeah. Those.
It's very healthy.
Yeah. Are they putting a fertilizer on it?
Well, they put fertilizer on the ground before they plant, I would imagine, yeah.
Is it a natural fertilizer or a chemical?
Probably most likely a chemical fertilizer.
Chemical.
Yeah.
These are the apples.
Yeah, all the bins are there
Yeah.
ready for the harvest.
All are the apples. That one. Apples. Wow, it's many. There you go. A lot of apples. Oh, look at that.
They'll be harvesting in a couple of months.
Yeah. Soon it will be harvest. Time of harvesting.
Yeah.
Oh, that corn. Maraming corn. Those are corns. Look at that. Yeah. Ayan, maraming corn. Corn. Sa totoo lang, masarap dito ang corn. Bumibili kami sa supermarket. 6 pieces of $5. Ayan si Lake. Ayan.
How much do you pay for a corn in the Philippines?
Per piece, that is cost of 35 pesos.
It's more expensive there than it is in New Zealand.
Yeah.
So cheap.
But it is cooked already.
Oh, it's cooked.
Yeah. Do you remember that we bought at the lady?
Yeah.
It is, if it is 3, it costs 105, but discount of 5 pesos, so 100 only.
But if you just wanted to buy one raw, how much would it be?
Sometimes it cost of 100 pesos.
Ayan,
around
papasok na kami sa
5 pieces.
ito ay sa Napier City. Papasok kami and makikita nyo po ang ganda ng kalsada. Maganda yung ang daming puno na makikita at farm din. May mga mais din na alam nyo, nakaka-fresh ng mind pag nagta-travel kayo, lalo na ganito countryside. Ang sarap ng feeling. Kaya pag halimbawa free time din kayo,
right?
labas-labas din pag may time para
it is
nakaka-fresh
onion
ng
on the
mind.
front, at the
Hindi
back
yung
it is
paratila sa bahay. Kasi sa bahay,
mais. It's corn.
kasi sa bahay parati na lang ang iniisip mo pagkain o di kaya manood ng TV,
License in the car.
mag-surfing di sa internet,
But we
online.
have one piece.
wala nang iba. And then, syempre may kasamang pagkain. Ala, andun ka na, na-stuck ka na dun. So, maganda rin yung labas-labas din pag may time. At habang nagda-drive si Habi, tinitingnan ko din yung mga arrow ng daan, yung mga information para alam ko rin. Who knows, someday makaglakwatsa ako dito, ako lang. Someday, ha? Siguro ang sarap ng feeling, isa ka lang nagda-drive dito sa kalawakan. Ayan, tinitingnan ko.
There you go. We are passing this. What factory is this?
So Ravensdale
This one. This is
fertilizer factory.
fertilizer factory, which is the smell of like shit.
Sulfur.
Sulfur, yeah. That is sulfur. Yeah. And in the right side, it is seaside. Industrial company. This construction firm. Ayan, kikita mo. Ayan ang seaside. The seaside of Napier City. Kaya dito, gustong gusto ko dito pumunta parati. Ang ganda ng ambience niya.
Ayan, kailangan observant ako kasi kailangan ko itong yung mga information at saka yung eksakto na dadaanan pauwi, papunta doon, yung mga arrow, kailangan pag-aralan ko. Inaaral ko yan, yung kung saan liliko, yung giveaway, kailangan kung saan, para matuto ako at ayan, makitid ang daan ng lugar na yan bago ka makarating ng the city, yung center ng Napier City. Yan ang dadaanan mo, makitid siya. Kaya kailangang pag-aralan how to be careful. Ayan na, papasok na kami niyan. Papasok na kami sa Christmas trees. The Norfolk trees. Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung tama yung pronunciation ko. Correct me if I am wrong. It's very nice when you're entering at Napier City, the streets.
Yeah, beautiful.
How do you call this?
They're called Norfolk Pines.
I'm sorry?
Norfolk Pine.
Norfolk.
Norfolk Pine Tree.
Norfolk pine trees. Just like it's always Christmas here. It's a Christmas tree.
Someone obviously had a vision many years ago to have the road.
Thank you for watching. Thank you again.